Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we have this carrying or charging cable with 3 adapters. Get in there. Comes in this dark bag. Alright, this is what it looks like. About that thing. Here's my fingernail for comparison. And it's the same throughout. You can use it as a stand or something, I guess. I think, if I remember right, it has a mirror inside. So there's a mirror right there. Oh, it has some streaks on it. There we have these adapters here. USB to USB-C, USB-A, pin ejector tool, 2 nano SIM slots, a TF card, micro SD card slot, micro USB here, and we have the lightning plug there. So all your bases are covered, and you also have a mirror if you need it. So if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you help support the channel, so thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.